a set!
Hey guys, my name is Lex and I'm a makeup instructor at Cosmo Makeup Academy.
Perfect. Let's do this. How long you been in the industry, right? And how long you been teaching, and then why you got into that, and then we stop there.
Okay. I've been in the makeup industry for 6 years and I've been teaching for 3 years. The teaching opportunity came up so unexpectedly. I never thought that I would be teaching students, but naturally I do love to inspire people, and once I was offered that opportunity, I took advantage. Naturally I'm a person who loves to take on a challenge, and I thought it would be good for me. So I went with it, and I truly fell in love with inspiring people, teaching my techniques and everything that I know. I get inspired by a lot of things in makeup. I want to say the #1 thing that inspires me is sounds. So I get inspired by a lot of music that triggers my emotions, things that I can relate to, and also stories that I can't relate to. I get inspired by things like that, and it helps me to create something new, and that's basically where my inspiration comes from. Sometimes it can even be the simple things like shapes, architectures, life outside, the trees, but my main thing has always been my emotions. Today I'm going to focus on recreating a look that I've done before, and it's going to have more of an editorial feel to it, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at LEXMUA, and if you would like more information about Cosmo Makeup Academy, please check out our website and our Instagram. So tough being famous.